Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial series and let's get started. So first off, Pointless made a big oopsie and didn't show. So what you have to do, and which is also erroring for you 100%, is that you have to make this module not final but abstract, because final makes it so you can't inherit from it, but we want to inherit from it, so we make it abstract. And we make it abstract because we don't want any instances of the module class of itself, only from classes that inherit from it, so we make it abstract. Right, so the next thing we're gonna do is just make things a bit cleaner. So open all these events and just make everything final, because no one's gonna inherit them. They're gonna stay lonely for the rest of their lives. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is the same thing for the modules. Just make them final and make this one final too. Perfect. And last episode, I also did a big oopsie, is that instead of returning with the event packet, I put event.cancel. So you go into packet, event packet, control click on it, and go into the locations where it's called. Just do return here. And second location net manager is return here also. Perfect. And these are all the fixes I'm aware of. If there's anything else erroring or that I missed for fixing from last episode, just tell me on Discord. Discord is in the description, or put it in the comments. Right, so today we're doing the command manager, and Bonus is going to do something else. So the first thing we need is utility. So you're making new package util, new class, chat, util, there we go. Perfect. Yeah, create this class. I'll make it final because nobody's gonna inherit from it. And this is just for being able to like send chat messages only to the client, so you can display chat messages. So the first thing we're gonna do is just making a static method. So a public static final, it returns a string fix string. So what this does, it just let's say fixes the string it's passed. So what you do is string dot replace. So there's where the um, client prefix come in useful in this utility, is because Minecraft has built-in color coding for text, which have the paragraph character. My bad, I mean the section character. And when you give the section character and, for example, a number 6, this is going to make the text behind it golden. But we don't want to every time use the section character because it's Unicode and you have to like type it in. So we're going to do it simple. We're just going to parse in the and character, and replace it with the section character. And we're just going to do it for a bunch of characters.
Hello everyone, Pointless here. Quick interjection for those of you who do not know how to type special characters. You want to do Windows period on your keyboard. Now this should bring up this. So what you can do is go over to symbols, and then in general punctuation, when you scroll down, you should have all of the special characters that you would need for this tutorial.
Because it looks just way prettier. Of course, you can do that with your own characters too. So replace. Then we have the double arrows with some other double arrows. The characters will be in the description, so you can just copy them over. So also in the other direction, replace. Yeah, and should I add more? Yeah, I guess I can just add some more. There we go. This arrow, then and the other. Oh, by the way, for me it looks like this because I have like a plugin. Actually, we just have to type this and dash and then this character, and combine looks like this. So for you, it's just it won't look like this if you don't have the material theme plugin UI. I think that's the IntelliJ plugin. So also in the other direction, There we go. And that's it for now. You can add your own characters to fix them to make it easier for you instead of every time having to type the Unicode ones. But these are all we really need for now, I guess. Just makes just playing chat messages easier. So the next method is a public static. Oh yeah, if it's static, you don't need to final. I'm retarded, my bad. Public static void send message. Yeah, we can just call it yeah, send message. If we were to be exact, we would have to call it append message to chat box or some shit like that. But it's just easier. So you do Minecraft dot get Minecraft dot the player dot add, or like we can call it. Let's just call add chat message. I think it's more appropriate. Add chat message. There we go. Add chat message, and then we have to pass in a new chat component text, and then we type in chat util dot fix, or we can just type in fix, I guess. Fix, and then the message. All right. Um, yeah, that is the basic one. And then if you want, you can just make this one final. And then public static void add chat message, and we'll overload the method final string message, comma final boolean prefix. There we go. And then should I use a ternary operator? Nah. If prefix else, just easier. I'm too lazy to write a ternary operator. Get Minecraft dot the player dot add chat message. Actually, I can just do this. Um, there we go. Just boom, fix message. And before the fix, what we're gonna do is we're going to do fix, and later on I'm gonna make the client prefix even fancier because the client prefix can also have like color coding. So what we do is best dot inst dot get client prefix plus that. Looks good to me. And if we don't want a prefix, we can just call add chat message message. There we go. So yeah, that is everything for the chat util. So continuing with the tutorial, we make a new package, name it command, there we go. And we're gonna create a new Java class called command, there we go. And we're gonna make it an abstract class, just like the module one, because it's only gonna be inherited from, and we're gonna put it together. There we go. So protected static file Minecraft MC equals to best dot into dot get MC. Oh yeah, by the way, in the module manager, oh no, module manager and module, make this protected because we want the classes that inherit from it to have access to it. So make this protected. Yep, in module class. So protected static file, Minecraft instance, and then we just do a bunch of stuff. But before that, we're gonna make a new annotation. We're gonna call it command info, and we have to have two annotations here. Target value equals to elements type use. Add retention policy dot runtime. Perfect. And then we're just gonna do a string name, string description, default empty string, string usage, oops, string usage, default empty string, and string alias. aliases. Oh wait, it's a string array because you can have multiple aliases for a command. Default. Oh yeah, I forgot to brackets. Default empty string. Yeah, looks good. Perfect. So close out of that one. And then we're just gonna make a bunch of fields. So private final string name, private final string description, private final string usage, private final string, no, private list of string aliases. There we go. Then we make a constructor, select none. By the way, for that generating interface, press Alt and Insert, and you can select constructor, getter, override methods, implement methods, etc. So make constructor, and then we're gonna make a final command info equals to this dot get class dot get annotation, and then we have to pass in the one info class. Perfect. And then just validate it, just like in the module. Just copy this. Perfect. Command info. We can just rename it to info. Validate that it's not null, and then just do the setting. So this dot name equals to info dot name. This dot description equals to info dot description. This dot usage equals to info dot usage, and this dot aliases equals to arrays dot as list, and then info dot aliases. Perfect. Okay, just two things left in this class. We need a checking method if um string is a given alias. So if public boolean is alias, and then we pass in a final string str, shorten it, and then return aliases dot stream dot any match for each alias. Check if the alias dot equals ignore case string. Perfect. And the last one is for that we'll do custom exception handling. Later on we'll do it also for modules, but let's just do it with command as an introduction. So exception, there we go. And we'll create a new custom exception. We'll call it command exception. Perfect. So it extends illegal argument exception and make a constructor. There we go. Super string message. Pass in the message into the super constructor. And what we'll do is chat util dot add chat message enum chat formatting. Oh yeah, there's like this is like the Minecraft color coding. So you see how that black, dark, blue, blah 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 blah. You can also see so 6. So this is the formatting code. So when you do chat-util.fix, you can do like and 6 and then do text, and it will make the things gold as I said before. So everything like this is gonna be golden in the chat output. So we'll just do that enum chat formatting dot red, and then plus a message, and we don't want a prefix, so we can just leave that. All right, that's our exception. Perfect. And now we want to do the last part, which is going to be public abstract, because we want the class of which inherit to implement this method, determine what it does. So public abstract void execute, and we're just gonna put in arguments, so strings dot dot dot, and then the command args, and we'll just let it throw the command exception, not the Minecraft one, your own one. Perfect. Alrighty, now let's make the command manager. By the way, I'm not gonna make this with the event. Like, I'm not gonna do this via events because it's a bit annoying doing every time event.get message and it just looks hella ugly. So we're gonna hook this directly without an event. I don't know, I just prefer that way. Oh yeah, so command and then make a new class, call it command manager. There we go. Make it final. Let me just check if nothing. That should be everything final. Yeah, everything looks good. Give it a gather. Oops, I just press on randomly. At gather. All right. I'm thinking. Yeah, okay. So first off, we're gonna have a constant. So public static final string command underscore prefix equals to best dot instance dot get command prefix. There we go. Then next, we're gonna make a private map of string and command. We're gonna call it commands. There we go. We're gonna make a constructor. Accidentally did that. We don't need that. And we're gonna make a private final void init. There we go. I guess just remove that actually because we don't need it. The class is already final. Private void init. And we're gonna do this dot command equals to new hash map. I'm thinking how we should do that. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna later on add to this, but the first thing after doing that is we're gonna make a new method, call it, oh, so we're gonna make it public. It's gonna return optional of a command and call it get commands and final string command name. There we go. And final command equals to this dot commands dot get and then command name. So that's why I use a hash map because it's just faster. Instead of using a list and having to compare the name of each command stored in it, we can just store the command name directly and get it. And now we have to check because there's also aliases. So for example, you do hashtag B, right? Or you can hashtag, for example, hashtag help in the chat. You can do hashtag H if it's an alias. You'll see that when we create the help command. So make a command and then if command isn't equal to null, then return optional dot off and then command off nullable, by the way. My bad. Off nullable, perfect. Why is this erroring? Replace off. Just keep it off nullable. If I'm not too stupid. Else, and then return optional dot this time off. This. Oh wait, no, isn't equal to null. This is stupid. Should reverse this actually. Uh, off nullable. There we go. This dot commands dot values, right? And then we're gonna stream it. So stream, and this is like what I said. This is the bad thing where you have to like loop through every single um, command which is stored inside of a list or a map, just to compare it to the alias or name. And that's why I use a map because it's more efficient. But not with aliases. In that case, it's slower. But most people are not going to use the aliases, as far as I know. Dot filter and then command dot is alias. So we check if it's alias. That's why I made that method. Go out the two parentheses. Dot find first and dot or else throw and then we're gonna throw our custom exception. New command exception couldn't find command specified. There we go. Beautiful. Alrighty. This is the get command method, which we'll need. And we'll go to the next method, which is the register method to register all the commands. There will all again have automatic registering just like in the module manager. So private void register throws command exception final reflections equals to new reflections. All right, and before do that, make a new package called let impl for implementation, just like a module, and then give the path to here. So in that case, it will be store dot for us script kitty dot command dot impl. So let me check store script kitty command impl. Perfect. And then final set of classes which extend commands, which is returned by collections.get types of command.class, and then for each class which extends the command class in the return classes, we will try final command com equals to command dot new instance. There we go. And then we'll catch for alt plus enter at catch clauses. Just delete that. I did that, and then you can just simplify catch blocks. Do that, and um, system.error.println failed to initialize command plus command dot get name. Which command is this? In that case, that one, I guess. Failed to initialize that one. Let's try this. New instance, so create new instance, and then just add it to the hash map. Let's put command let's get name and the instance itself. Perfect. So, oh, and make a nice this thing. My English be lacking right now. Alright, and then we'll try catch it. Catch command exception E, and then throw new command exception failed to register commands. There we go. And then this dot register. Alright, and the last thing for this class is where we'll be handling the commands. So we're gonna call it public. Oof, what the fuck? Public boolean handle command, where a string will be passed message if message dot is empty, then return false. Final string arguments an array, and message equals to message dot substring from the first character and split it with a space. So if you don't know what substring does, if you have a string, it's removes like it just makes a new string in a sense that removes the characters from the index. So in that case, if substring 1, A is not going to be more in the string anymore. So only SDA, SDD. And split is going to return an array of strings from one string and we'll split it with the index. So if you have hello world, it's going to return an array of length 2. So index 0 will be hello, index 1 will be a world if the regex is a space. All right. And then if message dot equals ignore case, our command prefix, just want to tell the player chat util dot add chat message. And then we're gonna do command. Wait, what are we gonna do? Okay, it's gonna look a bit. So we're gonna do string dot format. We're gonna do string dot format, and here we're gonna type is it a string? Let me just check what you have. It is a string. Okay, so we can type %s and then help to get a list of all commands and their usage. Type type %s and then the command name itself. Command to see information for a specific command and then make a new line character again. There we go. And then we're just gonna parse two strings. So now, okay, just 2 times command prefix, comma, command prefix. Because Java 8 doesn't have string templates. Hallelujah, we love Java. All right. And then, oh yeah, we're just gonna give it a prefix 2. True. There we go. And we can make this more nicer if we just do it like this. And, well, return true. So it will cancel the sending. Alright, so we'll just do a try catch and command exception. Should I ignore it? Yeah, ignore it. So this dot get command and then the arg0 and then dot or else throw lambda new command exception. Oh god, string dot format. Just break into a new line to format it nicely again. Error. New line. There we go. Command. This thing. %s and then again. Not found. Use %s help to see the full list of commands. Okay, and just go here and then arg0 and the command prefix. Alright, and then just if it doesn't, if it does find it, I mean, then arrays dot copy of range args comma 1 comma args dot length. Perfect. And at the end, just return true. Alright. Semicolon. Oh yeah, and I forgot this dot init. Looks good to me. And now we can get to hooking the uh, the class, the handle method. For that, we have to go into Entity Player SP and search for send chat message. Alright, this method, unlike the one we have in, which we call in chat util, this one, if we go here, is this one only displays it on your screen, but send message, send chat message, my bad, is gonna add chat packets to the queue, and this will actually go to the server. Here you would hook a chat event, but this we're gonna do manually with the handle command method we made. We're gonna make a chat event for other purposes in the future, probably. So what you can do is if message dot starts with command manager dot command prefix and s dot instance dot get. Oh yeah, we'll have to make here. Where's the module manager? There we go. Just move that down here. Private command manager CM. You can name it command manager CM equals to new command manager. Probably like some shorten. Too lazy to change it, so whatever. Dot get cm dot handle command and message. If both return true, return, and yeah, that's it for hooking. Now we can create our first command. Okay, so new class, we're gonna call it help command file at command info plan name. We're gonna call it help, comma usage. Then we're gonna do. It's gonna be annoying. Command manager dot command prefix plus help the command comma. Oh, doesn't this work? Attribute value must be constant. Can I just wait? Do this? Hmm. I guess you have to make it constant. That's a bummer. But can I do this? String dot format? No, okay. So you literally have to do it like this. So help and then okay, so I guess that's a flaw you have in the usage, but whatever. Description equals to we're gonna send it. Description only on, only noobs use this feature. And aliases, there we go. So this is gonna be an example for the aliases help for misspellings. Alright. And let's see. So you can do this. Oh yeah. Extends command. And you can do alt insert and then go implement methods, or you can just do control I, enter, and then we'll check if args length is bigger than 0. We'll do chat util dot add chat message. This spread line counter final command equals to best dot instance dot get command manager dot get command rx 0, or else throw lambda new command exception, and we'll do a nice thing. So what we'll do is string dot format chat util dot fix. Actually no, we'll just do string dot format, and we'll do enum chat formatting dot red. This is easier for you guys, so you can follow plus error, and then command. You can make it fancier if you test with color codes. So there's this thing called Minecraft color code generator. Yeah, go here, and then you can try it out. For example, here on the chat. So +2, and you'll see what it does. Whatever, 6, etc. Okay, this thing percent is this not found. There we go. And new line character, comma args 0, and then semicolon. Oh, what did I fuck up? String. Oh, oopsie whoopsie, I did something bad. Oh yeah, explains it. Oh, why is it selecting the whole line? There we go. Comma. There we go. Yes, and then return chat util chat message, a new line character, and best dot instance dot get command manager dot get commands dot values dot stream. And then you know what, we're gonna make this pretty, because we're pretty. Stream dot filter for each command if the command is an instance of help command dot for each command chat util dot add chat message, and then string dot format how we can do it nice. Chat formatting dot yellow plus percent sign s minus, oh wait, okay, this is hella annoying. There we go. Plus enum chat formatting dot white plus plus, there we go, minus. I'm gonna finish this and then I'll cut to me being finished. Alright, so this is a whole string. So enum chat formatting dot yellow plus percent s plus enum chat formatting dot white plus dash, and then plus info chat formatting dot gray. You can also do your own colors. Percent s comma empty space command get name comma command get description plus new line character, and then we have to check where this is, comma true. Oh, for each add chat message. Oh yeah, here we have to do it, comma true. There we go. So it does the prefix and the there we go. So this is finished, and then just do a chat util chat message. New line character. All right. This should be finished, and let's run it. All right, let's get into single player. And as you can see, I do #help, which is my command prefix, is that it will display the new lines, and it doesn't display the help command or any command because you don't have a command, and we filter it out here. So if I were to do this, it should display it. If the hotspot works. By the way, that was Control plus F9, so help. There we go, see?